How's it going, y'all? It's phone number here once again, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I'm wearing my mask today because I don't do face reveals anymore due to privacy reasons. So anyway, today is my first unboxing video, and today's unboxing video will be Nintendo Switch 2. Yep, you all heard me correctly. I will be unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. I got this at Walmart like a few weeks ago, and I paid like 520 bucks for this, even though the price was actually $499, but my tax says 520 bucks. So I paid like 520 bucks for this. And yes, I am very excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet because I wasn't ready to unbox this. So instead I'm doing this for you all. And it has lots of great features in this console. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's start unboxing this. Hold on. One second. All right, so I took everything out, and whoa! So we got the little screen, same accessories, you know, but a little different though. This is the HDMI thing, so you can connect to your computer or TV. The Joy-Con controller thing, you know, to like, you use this to like, connect these two Joy-Cons together here between, just like the so you can play it like a controller. It only comes with two Joy-Cons, left and right, and these are like Joy-Con holders, whatever you call them. It also comes with HDMI cable, and we got the C adapter cable. Oh, I'm surprised it doesn't come with the outlet. Oh wait, it does come with the outlet, huh? Okay, so since I'm now finished unboxing this, I am going to like set it up to my computer, plug it in, and you know the rest. Change of plans. I decided to set up on portable mode. One second. Needs more focus. I like the music. It's upbeating. Possibly for my next song. Yep, I just got the inspiration now. All right. Alright, so the setup is finally complete, and this right here is the Nintendo Switch 2 home menu. This is where you see the first time everything's fully up and running. The layout is really clean, everything feels easy to get to, and honestly, I like how simple it is without feeling boring. You've got your games right here on the home screen, quick access to settings, your profile, and all the system features you're going to be using most of the time. It feels very smooth just scrolling through everything, and so far, everything's responding very fast. This is basically the main hub you turn the system on, and this is where you start every session, whether you're jumping straight into a game or just tweaking settings. It's all right here. Now that everything's set up and ready to go, let's actually do what this console is meant for, play something. I went ahead and installed Mario Kart World, so let's put that up and see how it runs for the first time on the Switch 2. Alright, launching it now. Okay, here we are in Mario Kart World. This is my first time loading it up on this system, and it really looked really nice. The colors pop, everything feels crisp, and it just feels smooth right from the start. We're not going to dive too deep just yet. I just want to show you a little bit of gameplay so you can get a feel for how it looks and runs. So yeah, let's jump into a quick race and check it out. But that's not all. Check this out. Nice. Now let's continue the race. Okay, enough of that. And that was Mario Kart World. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and setting up my Nintendo Switch 2 video. If you really enjoyed this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow me on social media. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye!